Okay, so we have a section which is not PCB related.
Okay.
Just to, kind of get more of an understanding
Uh-huh.
of who you are. So
Okay.
what is one of the most interesting things you've done on vacation?
On vacation. Oh,
I think
God.
the on vacation part, you can insert anything. Like, what's the most interesting things that you would say that came up when you're like on a trip or something like that?
That's not the question. The question is, what is the nerdiest thing?
Oh, the nerdiest thing. Oh, God.
Who does nerdy things on vacation? Really?
He builds a
Well,
Lego
let
set.
me just make up my own question.
Sure.
Yeah, that's a good one. That's even
That
better.
would be
Yeah.
wonderful. That would
Okay,
be wonderful.
so this is gonna go on a little longer than it should. But
That's
so
okay.
anyway, so a few years ago, after COVID, you remember everything was shut down, and
Yeah.
I'm a drinker, so admittedly, so there's a bar I like to go to, and they had karaoke. So they hadn't had karaoke in 2 years, and the guy came in and he said. He was working on his machine for like an hour and he couldn't get it to work, right? And so my wife said, Neil, just fix his karaoke machine. I'm like, I don't want to. I'm just hanging out in a bar right now. I want to have fun.
That can go in the bloopers.
Yeah, keep that in the blooper.
That
Yeah.
needs fixing.
Yeah. And so anyway, so the owner of the bar said, well, if you fix it, you can have free drinks all night.
Oh, that's
so
motivating.
I'm in. So I fixed it. It took me like an hour and a half, and then
jeez.
the guy said, "Well, who's gonna sing first?" And I said, "I've never sang before, but I'm singing now because I worked
Wonderful.
very hard." So I took up karaoke.
Uh-huh.
So it's really fun, and I can be pretty gregarious. And then the next year at my work, they said we're gonna have a battle of the bands. So we're gonna get together with a band. We're going to rehearse and whatnot, and then you'll get up in front of the whole company and be the band. So I was the singer,
That's great.
and I put on red leather pants. I had a blonde wig.
That's awesome.
It was awesome. It was really fun. So that was my
Couple
thing.
of lines of your favorite karaoke song.
My favorite
That's great.
Well, "Home Sweet Home" is my favorite karaoke song. Not Def Leppard, Mötley Crüe. That's my favorite.